Welcome back. Today I am so excited because I'm going to be demoing and showing a very quick, simple tutorial using the Kathleen Light and Colourpop Zodiac collection. Yes, this is the palette. She also came out with 2 of the Supernova liquid shadows, as well as some lipsticks and some highlighters, so I'm really excited. We're going to be mostly focusing on using all of the eye products to do just a very quick tutorial using everything in the palette. It's such pretty packaging. I love the black with the gold, and then when you open it up, the palette itself is actually dark blue, but it has all of, all of the symbols. Let's see. All of mine are on the back. Yes, I'm a Libra. I'm wearing my Libra necklace today in honor of the Zodiac collection. I'm a Libra. Libras are the best. And then I'm a Pisces moon. Pisces moon sign. I was born at 5 p.m. So Pisces moon, Libra sun sign. I'm really excited. So I'm going to be testing this out, doing an eye look with everything today, trying to use it as much as possible. I already have a review up on my channel of the whole collection, giving an overview, some swatches, all that fun stuff. So if you want to check that out, definitely I will link it up above so you can check that out. But if you want to keep watching and see how I do an eyeshadow look using this collection, then keep on watching. So I have zoomed in a little bit so we can see what I'm doing with this eyeshadow look. I really love this palette. It comes with 12 shades, so 12 shades for each of the 12 zodiac signs, which is, I think, a really cool concept. It has a mirror. I'm really excited about this palette, and there's so many different looks that I feel like I could do with it. But to start, since I am, there I am. There it is. I am a Libra. I think we're going to go in with the color The Libra. And so I'm going to take this on this is a Morphe R35, which is just a pretty fluffy blending brush. So I'm going to take the Libra and just start fluffing that all over the lid, especially focusing it kind of into my crease. I didn't think that this color would really show up on my skin tone, but I feel like it actually is. It's not super dark, but it's kind of getting a nice, building a little bit of dimension, I think, into the eye. So actually I'm just going to put it all over the lid. That builds up actually quite nicely. I didn't think, you can see a little bit of the color on there. I didn't really think it would show up at all, but I was like, I'm a Libra. I have to use this color. It's only fitting, and I'm really happy with it. All right, that's a nice base. Ugh, my hair is driving me crazy as usual. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the Taurus, which is a nice kind of, caramely color brown. I love that. It's a really pretty color. So I'm going to take this just on the same brush and kind of just start, keep working things into the crease and just to build up a nice little transition. Oh, compared to when I add the Taurus, you can really see there's a little bit of purple going on with the Libra, which I like. Really soft windshield wiper motions, building it up. I'm going to go into the Libra and then kind of work that up, taking it slightly, because I have slightly hooded eyes, taking it above the crease and onto the brow bone, just to really soften all the edges and make sure that all the colors can be seen. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of the Taurus and kind of just start working it onto the lower lash line as well. Okay, so So now we have some nice transition. We have good color built up in the crease. I'm actually gonna go in. I am so drawn to all of these purple shades, but I'm also just, this color, the Aries, is really, really speaking to me. And one of my favorite looks to do is kind of a more sunset-y kind of look. So I think I'm gonna take, should I do it? Should I just go for it? I think I am. So I'm gonna take a pointed blending brush. This is gonna be the Morphe R37. And I'm gonna take the Aries, which is a little bit of a shimmery shade, but I think it'll work if I just keep it on the tip of the blending brush like this, just really concentrated. And then I'm gonna work this into my crease to start building up even more warmth. So just taking it and placing it right in the crease and starting to work it in. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that. I wasn't sure how this shade would work. It didn't really swatch like a completely shimmery color, but it didn't really swatch like a satin. I wasn't sure. Maybe I'll have to go back and watch Kathleen's reveal video again. I don't remember what type of like formula this is supposed to be for the Aries, but I'm really enjoying this. This is pretty. Yeah, that's nice. That brings a lot of nice warmth into the crease. And I'm going to go back with a clean blending brush, if I can speak, clean blending brush, and just kind of soften up the edges, blending everything together. Yeah, that's nice. I kind of want a little bit more of the Aries, so I'm going to take just a little bit more on the flat side of the brush as well, and really try to pack that on and take it up into the crease. And again, going back to that clean brush and blending out any harsh edges. Okay, that's pretty. So now I'm going to go in with a flatter blending brush. So this is the M433, and I'm going to go into this purple shade called the Sagittarius. And I'm going to keep this lower in the crease and then also focusing it primarily in this outer V. Trying to keep it very, very controlled where I'm just placing this color. Using this same brush, I'm going to go into the color the Scorpio, which is a satin finish, and I'm going to pack this on the flat side of the brush, which is why I like the M433. It's a really good blending brush to get into the crease, but also has the flat side, which is nice for packing on color. So I'm going to pack this color onto the actual lid, starting from the outer V and taking it about to the midway point. And going back to the Sagittarius, kind of working between the Sagittarius and the Scorpio, and just darkening up that outer crease. Now going back in with the R37 and taking a little bit of the Aries mixed with the Taurus, and just making sure that you can still see a lot of the warmth that we initially put down in the crease. Finally taking a little bit more of the Libra and just blending out the edges. There we go. I quite like that. I have quite a bit of fallout, so I'm just going to take a loosely packed powder brush and just whisk it away. Yeah, it's like that. So now that I have the crease and my outer V looking like I really like them, I'm going to start playing with some more of the shimmer shades. So there's a lot I really want to use in the palette. I think the Leo is a gorgeous color, like a gold bronze color, which is just beautiful. So I think I'm going to just pat that on. I'm going to just take it with my finger. A clean finger. I'm just going to pat that on the inner portion of my eye. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Okay, so I'm going to take a flat packing brush, if I can find it, and pack on the Leo even more, really trying to kind of do like a simulated cut crease. This is a really nice mirror in the palette. I like it. I like it when the Colourpop palettes actually have mirrors. It makes it so much easier. So much easier to use. There we go. So I'm going to go back to that 433, taking the Scorpio and just patting that again onto the outer V, blending the line between the Scorpio and the Leo. And then taking just, again, a little more, ooh, I almost dropped the palette. Ah! Taking a little more of the Aries and the Libra and working that into the crease, making sure everything is softened and blended. Let's take a little more of this. Just a teensy. So now I'm going to take a small pencil brush, again, wiping off the fallout. It's not staining or anything, so I think the fallout's actually not so bad. I'm going to take a small pencil brush, and I'm going to go into the Sagittarius and just continue to smoke out that lower lash line, connecting the colors I have in the outer V, just all the way down on the lash line. Okay, so before I finish this look, I think I'm going to take a little bit of the Cancer, which is a really light shimmery color, and just pop this on the brow bone for a little bit of extra highlight. Taking this on a very, very small pencil brush. This is an E36 brush. It's one of my favorites for inner corner and brow bone. I like this Cancer color. It's very pretty, but it has a little bit of a pinky shift, which I think complements the warm tones and the purples we have going on. Awesome. I like that. I'm quite happy with how this is turning out. Finally, this collection, not only does it come with the amazing eyeshadow palette, it also has two liquid eyeshadows. And so there is two liquid, the Supernova shadow. We have Constellation, which is a really, really pretty kind of rose gold light color. And then we also have Astrology, which is this just beautiful, true yellow gold color. And so I think I'm actually going to go in with, what is this one? Constellation, the lighter rose gold colored one. I think it'll complement this eye look that we have just a little bit better. So I'm going to take this and just place it right on the inner corner. And kind of take it just on the inner corner and then dragging it down a little bit to the lower lash line as well. And taking my finger and just patting that out. And a little bit more of the Leo, again, to blend the edges together. And there we have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eye off of camera, get some mascara on and eyeliner. Oh, I forgot, I was gonna take eyeliner. Where's my flat brush? Okay, I'm just gonna take a flat definer brush, and I'm going to take the color the Capricorn, which is this really pretty black color that has gold shimmer in it. I'm going to try, we'll see if it works, I'm going to try using this as a liner. I think that will really help bring this whole look together. Okay, I'm back. I have went ahead and finished up the other eye off camera, added some mascara, a little bit more liner, and yeah, I'm really loving this eyeshadow look. I thought the colors were all really easy to work with, they blended well, and I'm really happy with the results. So there are a few other items still in this collection. I know I did the review on the collection, but you know, I thought why not just continue to play with everything. So I already am wearing On the Cusp highlighter on my cheeks, but I thought, you know what? Just like new is always better, more is always better when it comes to highlighter. So this is the Fire highlighter, also a Super Shock Cheek highlighter. I'm going to just, you know, why not? So this one's a little bit darker. It's more of a gold tone, whereas On the Cusp was it On the Cusp? Yes, On the Cusp is more of a champagne. So I thought, let's add a little gold, because why not? Ooh, yes, I love it. I love how glowy this is. It's so pretty. Oh, I like that. That's really pretty. I love these Colourpop highlighters. I think they're fantastic. And so now there's also two more lipsticks, which I have swatched before. So I'm going to put Scorpio Moon just all over my lips. This is my kind of color. It really is. I love that. That's so pretty. And I'm going to grab just a little bit of What's Your Sign, which is a lighter nude, and just put that right in the middle. So that is that. This is the look I came up with using the brand new Colourpop and Kathleen Light's Zodiac collection. If you want to watch my review, head on over to the other video. I'm going to put it at the end and check it out. But I am so pleased with this collection. I think it's beautiful. Congratulations to Kathleen and Colourpop. It's an awesome collection. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.